I picked up this Canon V1. It's a power shot. It's super small, fits on the bike. The lens is retracted into the camera, right? It's great. It's great for video. The quality is fantastic. It really matches up to my R5 quite well. So I've been enjoying it. However, it has this little problem, and also, this is my second V1. And this is my second unit with the same problem that my first unit had. At this point, I'm just working around it. You know, eventually, hopefully Canon pushes a software update that fixes this, because I believe it's software. But let me show you what's going on. And if you have a Canon V1 and you have the same problem, leave a comment, let me know. I wanna know how many V1s are having this problem. So let me show you the problem. But the problem is as follows. If I turn on the camera, screen comes on, touchscreen works, right? I can change settings, everything's fantastic. When I open the screen, it still works, right? We can change all of our settings. Let's do it here. If I flip the screen, oh, it goes black. Doesn't come back on. And basically the screen's dead. Oh, it came back on. It came back on, but it's still in this orientation. But it's not, the touchscreen isn't working. Interesting, okay? So it's interesting it came back on. And your buttons don't work. Menu doesn't work, playback doesn't work. I've set this to ND, that doesn't work. Multifunction button does though. Okay, the info button works, the focus button works. So basically all but that button and these two don't work. Okay, but if I turn the camera off and I turn it back on, the touchscreen works again. But again, if I open it and twist it, it turns off. How did I get it to turn on before? Just pressing buttons here. Still taking photos. It still works. But it's not working, okay? What if I turn the camera off, leave the screen open, turn the camera on, the screen's on, but the screen isn't touching. So does anyone else have this problem? Let's see if we even go here and go back. Then it doesn't work. Does anyone else have this problem? So basically I can't use this camera to film like this, right? I mean, it's upside down. It's not switching orientation right now. So that's quite frustrating because I love the camera, I love the form factor, I love the footage that comes out of this thing, but this freaking screen, like why? Why does it only work when I reset it and keep it closed? Or swing it open, at least that works. So I can swing it open and, you know, select myself, select whatever. But it doesn't work when it's open. Does anyone else have this issue? It is so annoying. Anyway, hope you liked this video. I'll hopefully make a review of this camera sometime soon if it works. But most of my videos coming up are filmed with this.